Safety of MIG welding or any welding. Safety means keeping yourself and coworkers safe, so always wear your personal protection equipment, better known as PPE, which include boots. You need to have steel toe boots, leather boots coming up above your ankle. It's a good safety boot to have. You need to have good jeans on without cuts, pulls, loose threads, which can be fire starters. MIG welding puts off UV lights that are very bright, that are harmful to the eyes and skin, so you need to wear long-sleeved leather or preferably a welding jacket to protect your skin from the sparks that come off when you weld. The next thing too is that you need to protect your hands both from sparks, heat and the bright light that comes off from the weld, using at least the medium-thick gloves, weather cuffs for protection of the upper arm, or the heavier-duty welding gloves mainly used for stick or higher amperage welding. You need the welding helmet with a minimum shade of 10, to protect your eyes and face from the bright light and the sparks, to avoid a welder's flash in your eyes, or Z87 safety glasses. Grinding shield. Anytime you're going to do your grinding, painting, wire willing, chipping, you need the grinding to protect you from the flying metals. In conclusion, be safe, watch out for your friends and surroundings. Flux core welding training requirements. A copy of the ID. 2 color ID photos. PPE.